Get ready for a game-changing review. Today, I'm checking out the Razer Wolverine V2 Pro wireless gaming controller. Precision and customization promised, but does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Razer Wolverine V2 Pro is a top-of-the-line gaming controller designed for Xbox and PC gamers. With its ergonomic design, the Wolverine V2 Pro offers maximum comfort and control during extended gaming sessions. The triggers are responsive, and the thumbsticks are customizable, allowing for a personalized gaming experience. The multi-function buttons add extra functionality, and the detachable palm grips provides additional support. The controller also supports wireless and wired connectivity, making it an excellent choice for both console and PC gaming. One of the standout features of the Wolverine V2 Pro is its advanced gaming buttons, which can be remapped to fit a player's preferred gaming style. This level of customization is unparalleled and adds a new level of depth to your gaming experience. The onboard memory also allows for personalized settings to be saved and used on other systems. But what really sets the Wolverine V2 Pro apart is its customizable button mapping. With this feature, you can program specific actions to be performed by each button, making it easier for you to access frequently used commands and execute complex actions with ease. And for even greater precision, the Wolverine V2 Pro features an interchangeable D-pad, allowing you to choose between a traditional D-pad or a more modern, disc-style D-pad. Another notable feature of the Wolverine V2 Pro is its support for Razer Chroma RGB lighting. The controller features multiple lighting zones that can be customized with a variety of colors and effects, adding a touch of style to your gaming setup. In conclusion, the Razer Wolverine V2 Pro is a top-of-the-line gaming controller for gamers who demand the best. With its exceptional performance, customization options, and sleek design, it is sure to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. Don't settle for mediocre gaming experiences, step up your game with the Razer Wolverine V2 Pro today. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just starting out, this controller is sure to deliver the high-quality performance you're looking for. So why wait? Get your hands on one today and start gaming like a pro.